Looking at section 1.5, we'll start with an investigation. Mo was working with tiles on grid paper. He used right triangles and right trapezoids. So here are his shapes right here. When you find the area, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's a 13 by 5, which gives you a 65 grid area. But when he takes these same shapes and he rearranges them, we find the area to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 squares, which is an area of 64. Since he has the same shape, how does the area change from 65 to 64, since he used the same tiles? So the question is it possible for 64 to equal 65? Please leave me your answers in a journal entry.